Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to update Discord app safely on iPhone without losing data. First, check your account is logged in. Add all your server, DMs and settings are linked to your account so they'll sync automatically. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Go ahead and check if you are on connected Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions during the update. Now we are going to go to your app store and then see if your app is updated or not. If it isn't, find Discord and then tap update. Now we are going to reopen the app after updating. Check your chat, servers and settings. It will remain intact. Privacy tip: only update through the official app store to avoid fake or malicious versions. Quick fix: if the update fails, restart your iPhone and try updating again. Delete and reinstall the app. All your data will sync when you log in. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast